What I love about this school is that it's an environment where young people get to be the best version of themselves every day. My name is Adam Potter and I have the absolute privilege of being the principal here at Essendon Keilor College. Our school has hosted over 1,000 students from a range of different countries across the world via our international student program. We believe we're in a fantastic position to meet the needs of all students, choosing us as a destination to support their secondary schooling years.
All of our students, local, international, all integrate and are all part of the one learning community here. We get to know them as a person, not just as a student. And when it comes to our international students, the team behind the international student program know and understand the needs of a non-native speaker, and they'll provide for that both in academics and in well-being.
你好，我叫徐静怡，我来自中国上海。The first time I go there, my English is not good, but during the ELC class, the teacher teach us the reading, the grammar, and also the listening.
မင်္ဂလာပါကျွန်တော်နာမည်ကမင်းသွေးတစ်ပါကျွန်တော်ကလွန်ခဲ့တဲ့2နှစ်တုန်းက Australia ရောက်လာ The teachers they know this is my first time speaking English on daily basis, so they explain stuff, they ask me if I'm okay. Everyone was very nice and welcoming.
Xin chào, mình tên là Đinh Hoàng Tuyết Nhung, mình đến từ Việt Nam, tỉnh Lâm Đồng và đến từ thành phố Bảo Lộc. In Vietnam, I learn Grammarly, I learn how to write a sentence, how to make a paragraph, but I don't know how to speak. My teacher teach us very carefully, and we can slowly understand from this stage to this stage and then advance.
Alongside the expectations we have around their learning outcomes, we want our students to be engaged in subjects and curriculum areas that they're passionate about.
It's not just academics, there's arts, food tech, and a lot of different sports and lunchtime activities. You can hang out with friends, playing in the library or playing table tennis. Everyone's supporting you, whatever you want to do.
The students absolutely love our location being close to the CBD, where there's a range of opportunities for them to explore Melbourne as a young person in our school community.
The people in Melbourne are very kind, friendly. The city, the building are also very beautiful. I go to the Flinders Street. Oh my God, it's amazing. I also go to the Great Ocean Road. The sea, the ocean, it's very beautiful.
Even though I may get homesick sometimes, there is my traditional food available. There's a lot of places you can go out on the weekends. It's very fun.
We recognise the importance of having multiple layers of support for our international students to ensure that they're in an environment where they can thrive.
Before they've even set foot in country, we've already had communication and set up timetables and made sure that they're in classes that reflects what their future pathway is going to be. We have a lot of partnerships with universities within Melbourne, and our careers advisor is highly skilled in making sure that the students who are on particular visas are able to access the courses that they want.
I want to be a dentist. I'm aiming to go to a dental course in uni, so English will be very important for my future.
I want to do my best and then get to university and get a degree or bachelor for nursing.
When our international students leave us, my hope for them is that they have had the most wonderful experience with us, where they've grown as a young person and feel ready to tackle the next phase of their life.